Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 2.21 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. The question is, the mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. If its kinetic energy is 3 into 10 to the power minus 25 joule, calculate its wavelength. So friends, kinetic energy is given and we knew that from the formula, kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square, where m is the mass and v is the velocity. From here, we can find the velocity. It should be like v is equal to under root, now 2 into kinetic energy upon m. So now in this formula we substitute the value to find the velocity. So let's write all the values. It is 2 into kinetic energy is 3.0 into 10 to the power minus 25 joule, which in turn divided by the mass, which is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Now friends, we need to change the unit. As we know, 1 joule is equal to 1 kg meter square second minus 2. So we'll substitute the unit and we do the calculation of the numerical values. So again what we have, 3 2s are 6 into 10 to the power minus 25 upon 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. Now come up to the units. In place of joule we will write kg meter square second minus 2 and here it is kg. So kg will cancel with the kg, and after doing all the calculation we will get the numerical value. It will be 812 and the unit will be meter per second. Because meter square and second minus 2, when we remove the under root, it will be single value meter and second minus 1. So this will be our velocity. Now we need to find the wavelength. So according to de Broglie's law, wavelength lambda is equal to h upon mv. So h here it's a Planck's constant, m is again the mass of the particle and v is the velocity. So again we substitute the values. H value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules second. Mass is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Into velocity, what we calculated is 812 meter second minus 1. Now again in place of joule we will write the kilogram meter square per second square. So it will be 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34. Now kg meter square second minus 2, and already 1 second is here, divided by 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg multiplied by 812 meter second minus 1. Now kg will cancel with kg, meter, this meter square, and this second per second here cancel with this, and this second is cancelled with this. Now again calculating the numerical values, we will get the answer 8.967 into 10 to the power minus 7, and what is left over? Only meter is left over. See, this is the value of lambda or wavelength in meters. If more precisely we have to say, we can write 8967 into 10 to the power minus 10. As we shifted the decimal 3 step right side, we added minus 3 and it became minus 10 meter. And we knew that 10 to the power minus 10 meter is equal to 1 angstrom. So we can write lambda is equal to 8967 angstrom. So that will be our answer. This is also the correct answer. So friends, that's all for today. In this question, the main purpose is to do the conversion of the unit. Rest all calculations are easy. You have to make the calculation simply and the answer will be there in front of you so easily. So friends, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and be there with me for the next coming video. Till then, thank you.